Okay, so for number 2, the directions say write each fraction or mixed number as a decimal. Use bar notation if needed. This one should be an easier one. Right away, I would put my negative sign so I don't forget it. And then, who can read this to me correctly? How would you read that instead of saying 9/10? What is that read as? Yeah.
9/10.
9/10. Therefore, that's the same as saying 9/10. Remember, if you just looked at this number, this is your ones value, this is your tenths right here, hundredths, thousandths. So this is read as 9/10, and you write it as 9/10. The next one, some people might know what 5/9 is as a decimal. If not, you take your top number, the numerator, whoops, your top number, the numerator, which is 5, divided by the denominator. 9 can't go into 5, so what I do right away is put my decimal point in there. Can 9 go into 50? Yes. How many times?
5 times.
5. So 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, I get a 5. Add on a 0, drop it down. Can 9 go into 50? Yeah. How many times?
5.
5 times. So 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, I get a 5. Oh, well, what's happening here? It's what?
Repeating.
Repeating. So I'd like you to use bar notation and rewrite this as 0.5 with the 5 repeating. The last one, it says during a hockey game, an ice resurfacer travels 0.75 miles. What fraction represents this distance? Who could read this to me correctly? Instead of me saying 0.75, who can read this how it actually should be said?
3/4.
Oh, no, not yet. Yes.
0 and 7,500.
Okay, so 7,500. So let's write it as 75/100ths. What could I reduce both the top and the bottom by? Yes.
25.
Yeah, and that's your GCF. Now, some of you might have reduced by 5, and then you had to do 5 again. Whereas if you reduce by 25, right away, you'd get 3/4. And this is reduced all the way, so it's 3/4 of a mile. 3/4 of a mile.